Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an unboxing from Hermes. So let me do a really quick review on my video. So this is something really special and I think you will like it as well. So here's the box. It's very easy to guess what it is. Perhaps we'll pause the video for a short moment. You can type in the comment section what you think this is. Okay, you ready? Here's the unboxing. From the box, you can tell it is not a jewelry, but it is a rodeo. How this rodeo is different is that it is actually a PM size, but has a mix of exotic crocs leather in the middle. I've already got a rodeo in this size, PM size, and it's as well as it is also a solid color in black, full black, and this is in full gold. Very beautiful rodeo, and it's extremely soft. I'm really surprised that we actually have this in the store. I didn't expect this. So there you have it. Probably I'll do another video on how I pair this up with my perfume. Here it is. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the like button as well as the subscribe button. Thanks all.